Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Trigger warning, clowns. Hi guys, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. If you clicked on this video, then you know what it's about, but today we're going to be doing our 30 Clowncore inspired crochet ideas, okay? And I figured, okay, in the spirit of Halloween coming up, and in the spirit of really just getting into character, getting into the aesthetic, I figured I would do a little bit of makeup, okay? Luckily, Dylan is a cosplayer and has a plethora of face paint at all times, and I crocheted this part for you, which is actually one of the Clowncore crochet ideas. In this video, I tested a pattern for y'all, and I'll let you know how it is when we get to it. This one was requested by many of you a long time ago, and I am just now getting around to it, but I figured it would be a good video to have for the month of October, especially with a lot of you guys being clowns for Halloween and asking me for clown, crochet stuff for that too. So so here I am. Okay, so let's go ahead and really jump right into it. Oh, also before we jump right into it, I am also dressed like this because me and Dylan have been doing a weekly podcast. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. Subscribe, please. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So if that's something you're interested in, if you need something to watch while you crochet, please go check out our podcast. It's a video podcast, so you have something to watch. And for the month of October, we've been dressing up for every episode. And for this week's episode were clowns. So it kind of coincided with my Clowncore crochet idea video. So go check that out. Okay, love you. So for this video, like every video I do like this, everything I say will be listed in the description box below in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free video or written tutorial so that you can make whatever I'm showing you. Also, I just want to say this is the weirdest thing, looking in the viewfinder and seeing clown makeup. I'm a little scared of myself right now. Anywho, so let's just jump right into the video, shall we? I'm gonna move over so you guys can kind of get a better look. Oh, I'm losing the straps of my dress. Okay, leave me alone. So we're gonna put them over here. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. There are no categories for this because the category is clown, okay? So first, I just want to show this really cute, colorful flower scarf, okay? The colors were just giving a clown, super cute. You can also make this fake cake. It was giving like birthday party clown vibes, okay? Some of these are a little on the edge of Clowncore and some of these are like in the heart of Clowncore, but it was just really hard to find a lot of patterns. So I kind of had to branch out just a little bit so that I could give you guys at least 30. Like we couldn't even hit 50, okay? It's not even a 50 video. So this cake, super cute. You can even make this, there's this like clown, or not even, it's not a clown, but it's the thingies that pop out of those boxes that you like wind. You guys know what I'm talking about? It's like an applique, super cute, gift circus. You can, if you guys watched my 24-hour crochet video, I made a traveling mouse in a suitcase, okay? So by the same creator, they have a mouse circus one. So there's the mouse circus bundle, okay? Super cute, especially if you liked the mouse traveling one. You can also make this clown hat, which is actually by the same artist who created this pattern for this collar, which I have later in this video. You can also make this clown inspired crocheted cake. Super cute. I love a good crocheted cake. You can also make these tiny little clown dolls, super adorable. You can make this circus tent and clown like applique. You can also make this handmade clown doll, okay? Super cute. Lots of different clown dolls. Now, for this next one, it's a room decor thing. These lamps that go like in and out. It just gave like circus tent, Clowncore. A person who's into Clowncore would have something like this in their room, if that makes sense. So it might have missed the mark, but I'm also not like super in tune with Clowncore. But I will say, this was kind of fun. So I understand the thrill of Clowncore now. You can also make this cute little retro circus tent. Okay, adorable. You can make this funky 70s inspired ski mask, which gives clown. Okay, super cute. It's even including hair in the ski mask, so that's cool. You can make this rainbow clown collar, or even like a rainbow granny stitch vest. Okay, when I was looking up Clowncore, there were a lot of really cute outfits, and some of them had like crocheted colorful vests like this. So you can do something like this. I know this is a jester, but like it kind of, I feel like it's in the realm of clown world. Okay, so this jester hat. You can also make these really cute clown dolls. They have like twisty legs and twisty arms, so that's kind of fun. And you can also just really, you can't go wrong with like missing the words. Oh, patchwork. A patchwork cardigan like this one. Really just pick your clown colors, because from what I've gathered, okay, I'm not part of the Clowncore community, although I'm cosplaying as one of you today, but as I've gathered researching for this video, there's different kinds of Clowncore. Like there's bright colored Clowncore, and then there's more like creepy Clowncore, and then there's like dark goth Clowncore. So there's a lot of variety. So you can really never go wrong with a patchwork cardigan in whatever color Clowncore color you are. You can also, if you're a tapestry crocheter, if you love tapestry crochet, you can make this clown tapestry wall hanging. You can even make this granny square kind of collar moment instead of these ruffled collars. You can even use this pattern for like a clown granny square, okay? Or you can make this clown doll, which I really like the loop blue hair. It's kind of cool. I have yet to make a project with like loop crochet, so I definitely want to do that. But I always like when people incorporate like loops into their crochet stuff. So now this one, I actually got to witness the rise of this clown possum on TikTok. I think it was in like the height of COVID or 2020 or something, but the rise of the clown possum. She has since released a crochet pattern for it, so if you want to make the clown possum, go right ahead. Here is the creator of this clown collar that I did. I actually made this one, and I made another one for Dylan for our podcast episode tonight, and amazing workup. I think it took about an hour, maybe an hour and a half to make. Not a lot of yarn, super quick workup, super versatile for any size of neck you have. I really liked this pattern. I definitely recommend, and I think it's definitely worth the money that I paid for it, because it's not a free one, but it's worth it. I gave it a 5-star review. You can also make these crochet clowns, which are super cute, and you can even make this black and white kind of clown, or even this more like red, yellow, cutesy clown doll, or here's this picture of like a combination of the party hat and the ruffled collar. You can even use the ruffle collar pattern that I gave you, or the one that's in this picture. You can even make this party clown super cute with like a polka dot party hat, or you can never really go wrong with normal stuff that you would always make, but in the clown colors you're wanting, like this striped sweater. Okay, it's giving clown colors. Remember, it doesn't have to be like clown in the title for it to be a Clowncore crochet item. Just swap out the colors. Swap out the colors. Make a bag, swap the colors. Make a blanket, swap the colors. You know what I mean? So just keep that in mind, because I know sometimes when I'm looking to do something, I will be like, oh, it's not for this. And then I'm like, wait a minute. I can make it fit my aesthetic if I just change the colors. So keep that in mind when you're looking for Clowncore crochet ideas. And that is all that I have for you when it comes to Clowncore inspired crochet ideas. I know it's not a lot, and I know a lot of my videos I usually have like at least 50 ideas, but this category was just a difficult category to find inspiration for, if I'm being completely honest. So thank you guys for being patient with me on this category. I hope you guys were able to find at least like one or two things. I definitely recommend this, okay? It's not sponsored or anything. I literally just looked for a ruffle thing and I found one, and I was like, might as well double up and do a little pattern review. Okay, I love when I can do one of the ones I'm recommending, so I can really show you like kind of what it looks like. So yeah, for Friendly reminder, everything I said is listed in the description box below in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I showed you, okay? And with that, all the pictures I showed you are on a cohesive Pinterest board, which is also linked in the description box below so that you can add it to your Pinterest archive, okay? You can add it, you can look at it, you can take the pictures, whatever. I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon, okay? I'm going to be giving away a knitting machine, you know, one of those circular Centro knitting machines. Probably getting the brand name wrong. I'll put a picture of it here, but I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon. So in order to be a part of that giveaway or know when that giveaway is going to happen, you got to be following me on Instagram because that's where I'm going to be posting about it. So if you're not following me, definitely go over to Instagram and hit the follow button, okay? But other than that, like this video if it was useful, subscribe to my channel for more, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!